Hello guys, I'm Wolf HD, and welcome back to another video. Where today we are, there's a lot of people. We're in Flood Escape, and I'm going to be doing a couple of rounds, just like normal. Oh, come on. Oh wait, no, we'll go hard. We'll go hard. Let's see if I'm good at this. I do have gravity coil and things. Basically get onto the extreme level. Let's go. Yes, that's slow. Could just set my spawn point and kill myself. It really wants to do that. Select map one. We're going. You do lose hats and your items, so this is why it's jihad extreme. So we should be getting it in a minute. Okay. Right, you want to first go over and get your first one, which should bring up this like really metal bar. Then you want to go backwards and jump onto that, onto the other bar. Click this one, quickly run back over, and you can step in the water because you've got air. So it should bring that little square so you can jump over here. Then click this, you come onto here, and you can jump up. There we go, right. You can get that, and then we just need to get over there and jumping on all of these things. And over here, onto this black thing, and then like this. And then if you can angle your camera properly, you can get a good picture on how to jump onto them too. Then it brings you just basically playing parkour here over to the green square. Yes, there we go. You just have to go back. Oh, I almost died then. Yeah, all the way back. Gosh, I'm dead. This really wasn't planned. So I guess I can go this way back then if that's there. Okay, right, I'm dead. But you guys, I'm sorry I couldn't really give a perfect demonstration of that. All you really have to do from that is find your way through that parkour that I just failed. I don't know how I did, but yeah, you just go through that and you should end up at the end. I will do it because it's for the video, so I'll skip forward until I actually get to that end jump. So, see you in a minute. I can't seem to so no, I can't seem to complete it. I don't know how I did so well on the first go. You guys can seem to see how to do it now. So please give that a go if you have got 10 wins or more. So I'm sorry I couldn't get it, but it is super duper hard if you want to do it. I have done it about 2-3 times, so I hope that guys help you. I hope that guys help you. I hope that helps you guys. And basically, see ya.